Hey, over there at Bergen Wireless, this is Doc Key. I know you guys did have a chance to speak with one of my business partners. He expressed to me that you guys were interested in one of these videos. So what I'm going to be doing in this video briefly, I'm going to be giving you 3 tips that you guys can implement yourself to bring more customers to your business. I'm going to be showing you who your competitors are, or one of your competitors are. I'm going to show you what traffic they're getting and how they're getting it, and how you can increase your traffic. So bear with me. I'm going to try to explain this the best way possible. All I ask is that you guys can send me some feedback, or if you guys simply also have have any questions or concerns, you can contact me as well. But simply take this information I give to you today and use it yourself. So real quickly, Google wants to see about 1,500 words of content on your front page. Content is anything that you see on your front page as far as text, right? The image, this is an image. What these images may be saved as, it should be saved as that. Any videos, if you guys have any videos on this page, and what those videos are saved as. We put you guys into this word counter. You see that you guys have 33 words. So that's not a lot of content. You guys have a very professional site. I like it, but you guys have to get a bit more content. So basically this content is your opportunity to give a description about your business, about where is it that you do it, and you want to be implementing keywords. So example of a keyword, where if we was to type into, actually, let's pull this up. Let's just go back here. Iphone Repair Newark, New Jersey, right? I put the back tab because obviously those are one of your competitors that come up. We found them when we type in iPhone Repair Newark, New Jersey, Newark cell phone repair. So if we just go back, we see that these are one of your competitors, and that search term that we searched in is a keyword. As you can see, this is a keyword. They're kind of using it, Newark cell phone repair, and it's right on that page. So they're being found for this, right? So this is a software I like to use called Ahrefs. It gives me the complete backend of our company's website. It shows me that you guys are using non-organic keywords, and it shows me what you guys are using: Bergen Wireless, Bergen Wireless Newark, Bergen Wi-Fi, and this is a bunch of addresses, right? But you are in the second position for this. You guys are getting searched. You are getting found for that. But I'm going to show you how to get and capture a bit more of this traffic. So this is software I like to use called Ahrefs. Not all sites are software are accurate, but this one is more accurate than it's not. So I imagine that you guys may be getting a bit more traffic than this, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can capture more. Okay, so when we typed in that search term, iPhone Repair Newark, New Jersey, as you can see, this was one of your competitors, and also these was one of your competitors, You Break Out Fix. Of course, we know who these guys are. As you can see, these guys are huge. But the good thing about this is that we're able to also go in here and see what keywords that these guys are using to get found and why they're so big. And we're able to see exactly what they're doing. So we see here that they're using Newark computer repair. I know you guys may repair our computers as well, gaming systems and such. So computer repair Newark, this gets 40 searches, this gets 60 searches. These guys are in the first and second position. But to be more general, we're going to go ahead and see what these guys are doing. As you can see, these guys are not getting as much. A lot more searches than you guys, but a bit more, right? And they're using 54 keywords. As you can see, if we do the same thing we did here, and they might be only using Newark key terms. If we put these guys into this filter here, we see that they're using a couple key terms for Newark cell phone repair, Newark mobile phones in Newark, phone store downtown, Newark phone repair, right in the 4th, 6th, 12th, 4th, 7th position. And these gets a lot of searches: 40 searches, 30 searches, 80 searches. So obviously this is where their traffic is coming from. But I'm telling you, these guys are not doing all what they need to do. And I'm going to tell you exactly how you can go ahead and beat them out. So you want to go ahead and get that content on your front page, and you want to be using keywords such as the keyword that we typed in right here, iPhone Repair Newark, New Jersey. So we're going to move on, actually. So we're going to move on to citations. So citations is basically responsible for this section here. So as you can see, this section here is responsible for 44% of traffic that comes to a company website. So, and the way you get here is through citations, and citations are basically other web directories listed on the internet, as far as like super pages, yellow pages, white pages, Yelp, Yahoo, Bing. There are hundreds of them. There's many more. A software I go to get these citations is a software called whitespark.ca. So once you list it, once you're listed here, you just want to go ahead and optimize this section as well. You want to get a lot more reviews. I know you guys may have reviews, but I'm not finding you guys in this map pack section here right now. But you want to have reviews. You want to maximize this description with at least 700 characters. You want to maximize that. And if these guys have images, say if these guys have 20 images here, you want to maximize it at 40. And also want to be saving those images as key terms right here, iPhone repair, such as this one. And there are many more that you're trying to get found for. So that's going to help you with that. Like I said, this section is responsible for 44% of traffic. So you want to get ahead and do that and capture that traffic. Oh, so just to move on real quickly, we're going to talk about some backlinks. So backlinks are basically other websites or web directories that's listed on your website that passes it power. We see here that you guys have 8 backlinks referring back to your website, and you guys are not getting much power from this. And as you can see, we put these guys in. We're not going to focus on you, Breakout Fix It. They have 514 backlinks. So the good thing about this is that we're able to see what backlinks these guys are actually using. And if these backlinks are good enough to rank their site, they're good enough to rank yours. So we typically go get these backlinks through a copycat method. Now, I guarantee you, actually, these guys in general, and specifically in particular, they're going to be extremely easy to beat out. But once you're able to capture some of these keywords that these guys are using, you're going to get found for a lot more searches. The way we go ahead and do this, that we just go ahead and see what website is ranking in the top for this. And I imagine maybe you Breakout Fix or whatever website, and we just aim to beat them out. So that's what you want to do. You want to be using, as I said, you Breakout Fix, right? So, in Newark Cell Phone Repair. But you want to get found there as well. So the way to do that is that you want to have this content. You want to be implementing keywords. Within that content, you want to save these images as keywords that you're trying to get found for as well. And you want to get them citations, which is basically other web directories listed on the web, and allows you to list your name, address, phone number, and business credentials. And it builds your credibility and it increases your traffic. So, and lastly, you want to talk about these backlinks, and we could just focus on these guys now. This is also a locations page that you can see here, location North. And these guys are huge; they're all over. But we also able to go in and see what backlinks that these guys are using. These are referring domains. And we just narrow it down. We go get the best ones that they're using and we use it for your site. I guarantee you, this is what passes you power. So once you're able to implement this process and see your site, you're going to start to see a significant increase in traffic. And your guys are going to start getting a lot more searches to your website. So quick recap, we spoke about content, keywords, with them that content, keywords, save those images as such, also citations, and lastly, backlinks. So I hope you guys found this information informative. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact me. My information will be listed in the email, or you can also contact Christian, and he'll also be able to explain this to you as well. So I hope you guys take care and you found this information informative. Take it, use it for yourselves. Please provide me some feedback. All right, guys, take care. Have a good day.